Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm wearing this jacket since 2 years and it was looking so simple and dull. So I thought of customizing it. चलो उसको एक trendy सा और cool सा look देते हैं. So I'll sketch a butterfly here only at one portion because पूरे में फिर वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So let's draw a butterfly here and then paint this with acrylic paints. पहले मैंने बटरफ्लाई के बॉर्डर्स को ड्रॉ कर उस पर टेप लगा दिया सो दैट द कलर विल नॉट मर्ज. Then I took red color and painted the butterfly's wings. And blue color in the middle portion. The half portion is done and it is looking so pretty. Let's paint in the other half portion. So I have painted the other half portion with green color, sap green color, and then उसके सेंटर में orange color कर yellow color से एक शेड दे दिया which is looking so pretty and I'm loving it already. Watch the video complete for the final results. Trust me, you will love it. Take some jackets out of your cupboard and try to customize them because trust me, it looks so pretty and so cool. You can draw your designs, whatever designs you like. इससे पहले मैंने एक जीन्स कस्टमाइज करी थी, उसकी वीडियो भी मेरे चैनल पर है. Go watch it. If you like this video, comment for more and we'll customize more clothes. My channel is very new. I'm uploading videos since 1 month and I'm enjoying it as well because I love doing these things. But I find my channel very underrated. So please go like and subscribe to my channel. Watch all the videos and share my videos. I'm trying to upload videos daily. So if you like this video, like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Share this video as much as it possible. Thank you for watching. Bye.